Yeah, so today I'm coming to Tapilon area beach. I don't know the exact name of the exact beach. It says, hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? I don't know the exact name of this beach. I'll find out and put it in the description, but it's kind of unique. You have to come through a cemetery to get to the beach. Yeah, it's very unique. You have to come through a cemetery to actually get to the beach area. Like these are, I forgot what they call these type of cemeteries, the above ground burials. And it's just very unique, and it's bigger than this. I had to drive through. You have to pay a small fee to enter this area. I don't want to disrespect the graves by pointing too much, but yeah. So you come through the cemetery. It's like to get to the beach, and down here is the beach area. Oh, sorry. Down here is the beach area. I shoot. Yeah, but down here is the beach area. So yeah, it's very unique. You can park the scooters down here. Park my scooter up a little further. I didn't have to park this far down. I didn't know, so I parked further up. I didn't know you could park down here. So where I parked was further up. So yeah, but you see, it's very unique. I don't know if these cemeteries look kind of different, but I see a lot of people. Hey, what's up? Hey, man. Hey, and everybody here is so friendly. Hey. So yeah, everybody's here very friendly. Everybody's very friendly here, and you can camp out, and you have to pay for the tables. You have to pay for the tables that you rent. Sometimes, like I told you, the American price and the regular price, but I think the 150 was pretty basic. So yeah, so I have water out here. They said this is low tide, so the water didn't really rise up as far as it could go. But yeah, this is pretty unique. Clear water. A lot of families out here enjoying the water. Yeah, they said this is low tide, so that's why this isn't. They said this will be covered up at high tide. But it's pretty cool here. I like this area. So it's a pretty unique beach. These are all locals. I'm the only tourist here, I believe. So these are my new friends. My new friends. And back here is a camp area also. And yeah, pretty unique. It's my little setup right here. But yeah, it's pretty unique. A lot of families here. There's more cemeteries back there, but it looks kind of broken down, broke up once. There's a lot of children out here. But it's a pretty unique area. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot here. Pretty nice, pretty unique. My new friends. But pretty cool here. So you go down here. A lot of families. So go down here. It's not the cleanest beach, but it is very pretty. It's white sand. Like I said, it's not the cleanest beach, but it is nice. It's nice. You got the clear water, white sand. So yeah, you see bottles left over. I'm not gonna leave my bottles. I'm gonna take mine with me. I'm gonna take mine with me. My new friends. But but uh, but here, I was told that this across the water is actually. I'll show you in a second. They said this is what is it called? It's a resort. White Sands, Sierra Sands. I'll check in a second. I forgot the name of this resort. But they said this is the resort right over here. So like a pretty mid level, high level resort. So yeah, that's what that is over there. Yeah, you can see tours over there. But I see some of the locals here using this beach. Like, see the young ladies I just met. They're using this beach, but I guess the resort doesn't mind as long as you stay on this far end of it. I'm sure they don't want them venturing too far into their private beaches. But yeah, so that's what that is. So yeah, it's a private resort over there. So they're, yeah, see the clear water, beautiful, right? The little islands in the background, little land, pretty beautiful. So yeah, the water's beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, I like this place. I like this place. Like I said, it's not the cleanest. But it's nice. Pretty unique area. I'm not sure if these boats are going to be used when high tide. I don't know how far it comes up. I'm assuming it comes all the way up to here. Oh wow, is that a real seashell? Like real? But yeah, I'm assuming these boats are going to be for use once high tide comes up. Okay. Families out having fun. Yeah, I like this. I like this area. Families having fun. Dad and his daughter. Yeah, it's nice. Like I said, if somebody spends some time cleaning this area up, it could really, really be even more beautiful than it is. I still like it. I still like it. See, there you got the beach, beautiful beach, got the clear water, and then over here, you got the cemeteries right behind the boats. This is nice. Group of young ladies down here having fun, enjoying the beach. But yeah, this is pretty nice. See if the camera shy. Some are not. This is pretty nice. What's up, yo? What's up, yo? Yeah. What's up? Yeah. Less is more adventures. Adventures, yes. No, I'm not live. I'm recording. I'm gonna post it later. I'm gonna post it later. USA, America, Philadelphia 76ers. Leslie, like a girl. Yeah. Oh, less is more adventurous. What's my name? My name is, huh? Okay, less is more adventurous. Like less is more. Yeah, I got it. less is less is more adventurous. Yes. Yeah. Nice people. But yeah, so you can continue to come down here. The Vanjie boat. I knew someone named Vanjie before. More of a pen pal named Vanjie. Nice. Yeah, this goes down really far. I'm not gonna walk the whole beach. I even see when it goes down to where that little mountain looking area is, it even curves around to the right. I'm not gonna go all the way down there. Yeah, it's just very unique, very, very unique area. Yeah, it's just nice. It's just a little cleaner down here. I guess because that's the entrance. A lot of people might camp out down that way and just chill. But down here is a little bit cleaner. That's very nice. I was out in the water earlier before I started recording. Before I ate, I got out into the water a little bit. Went out about 100 yards out. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. I guess it's Leyte over there. The island, Leyte in the far background. I guess that's what that is. I'm not gonna go past these boats right here. Not gonna go no further than that. More kids. They're not camera shy at all. Well, I'm not going past here. So there's a couple boats. Oh, one says Malapasco budget. So I guess that goes to my. Hey, what's up? Less is more adventures. Yes. Less.
I'm following you.
Okay. One S. What? LES is more adventures. Less. Huh? I will. I'll post it later. I'll post this like in a couple days from now. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I want a new one, but it's pretty cool.
LS more adventure.
Less is more. LES.
LS
LES is more.
is more adventure.
Yes. You live around here? You live here?
Yeah.
You come here every day or almost every weekend?
No.
Oh, not every day. Okay. Yeah. What's your name?
Thunder.
Sander? Nice meeting you, Sander. Nice meeting you.
My name is Miles.
What is it? Miles? Nice, Miles. Okay. Nice meeting you. Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you too. Thank you. Nice kids. So yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go any further than this. I see the boats. Pretty unique. It says Cebu. Like I said, this one says Malapasco Budget Inn. Oh, I had a coffee in Malapasco Budget Inn a few years ago. I had a coffee there. Oh, they got a boat here? Yes, I guess you could. People who want to visit this area, it brings you here and takes you back to Malapasco. I don't know where that is from here. That's not it with the high mountains, because they don't have high mountains like that. But somewhere, that might be Malapasco over there to the left. I see some flatland over there. It might be over there. But that's a fishing boat. I see nets on there. Oh, they're getting set now. Oh, I think somebody told me that might be a shrimping boat for shrimp or squid. Okay, they're going out now. It might be a squid boat, but they're heading out now. But I am going to head back to my camp area. There's shrimp boats going out now. I believe that's for shrimp. I'm gonna head back. Yeah, beautiful clear water. Very beautiful water. Very beautiful water. I'm going to head back now. Pretty interesting area. I like it here. I like it. Ouch, something in my shoe. But everybody here is friendly. Everybody's friendly. I haven't met a bad person yet. Child, adult, everybody's friendly. Nobody's really camera shy, so it's pretty nice. So I really do enjoy it. But I like it a whole lot.
Hey,
All right, Sander.
your name.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
I follow you. Hi.
It's Sander, my new friend.
More. I can see that I'm not because I have no data.
Oh, really? So you won't be able to see the page yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I follow you.
Okay.
Sorry, man. Yan.
So yeah, that's it. Less is more adventure.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, you're welcome. All right, bye. I think the father and daughter over here, I think they're making a campfire or a fire to cook food underneath this boat over here.
Or you Facebook.
YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah, YouTube.
I
Give me
follow that.
in about a day or two. This will be posted in about a day or two. All right. Okay, good, Sander. All right, man. Yeah, the father and daughter to the right. They're cooking, making a fire under this boat for cooking. Not sure if it's their boat, but either way, they're making a fire under the boat for cooking. So that's that. But yeah. So we're just walking back to my campsite, and that'd be it. But yeah, so that's pretty interesting. You see families are still coming before the high tide. But yeah, pretty nice place. Yeah, yeah, you found it. You found it. You found it. You found it. Yeah, thank you, man. All right, Sander. All right.
Uh-huh.